how to add end screen to YouTube videos on Android and iPhone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add end screen to your YouTube videos on mobile. And if you don't know how to do that, then this video is gonna be very helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. So as you know, you cannot add end screen to your YouTube videos on YouTube app, but you can do it in youtube.com using any browser of your smartphone. So first open any browser on your smartphone and then go about to youtube.com. And now importantly, enable desktop mode of your browser. So let me do this real quick. And also you must be signed in to your YouTube account. So first, sign in to your YouTube account or YouTube channel using your email and password. And once you sign in to your YouTube account, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and click on your channel. And now here click again on your profile picture and click on YouTube Studio. Now click on this icon and then zoom out. And here you can see these are my videos. Now here I'm gonna show you how you can add end screen to your videos. So choose a video that you want to add end screen for. So here I'm choosing this one. So click on this video and click on this pencil icon. Now here in your video details, scroll down and you can find end screen option. So click on end screen and here you can choose different templates for your end screen. So here you can see this circle icon is subscribe button and this rectangle icon is for videos. So you can choose any of these templates. So let me choose a templates here. So I'm just gonna add a video and subscribe button in my end screen. So here I'm selecting on this one. And now just scroll down. And now here you can choose elements for your end screen. So here you can see this is the subscribe element and it will show up in the last 20 seconds of your videos. And also you can make it shorter. As you can see, it is 20 seconds longer. Here you can see this is subscribe element. Just here you can change your length of your subscribe element. So here let's remove this and let's put 55. And then here scroll down and just click on here and then you can see it is shorter. And also here you can click and hold and you can drag right and left and you can move it to anywhere you want. So here I'm just keeping it here and below it you can see this is the video element. So click on here and scroll up and here in this section scroll down and you can see you can choose most recent upload and also you can choose best for viewer and also you can choose specific video. So here I'm selecting on specific video. And now let's choose a video. So here you can search your own videos. So let me search the related videos. Here I'm selecting this video as it is related to my new video. And now here scroll down. And also you can make your video element shorter. So scroll up and here you can make your video element shorter. So let me do this real quick. And now scroll down and click on your video element. And here you can see it is now shorter. So here also you can click and hold and you can drag right and left and you can put it anywhere you want in the last 20 seconds. So I'm putting it here. And now here you can see you can put your video element and subscriber element wherever you want. So I am putting it here. And also you can increase and decrease size of your video element as well. So here I am increasing its size a little bit. And after setting up your end screen, click on save. And here it is. This is how you can add end screen to your YouTube videos on phone. And if you found this video helpful, please do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to delete YouTube channel permanently on phone, watch this video and I will see you in the next one.